Whoa! Dang! Ay! Here. Phone. Ay! Here. Dang! Dang! It's already 10 in the morning. I just got down here to check out George. It's just snack time now, merienda, it's called. So he's working with the putty stuff to make it nice and smooth. You know, because it's going to be indoor furniture. So, I'm going to putty it up and wait for it to dry so he can sand it. And then, you know, we're going to paint it black. It's going to be all right. Cool. That's where the wine glass is going to slide in there. You know, make the whole shebang. He's a pretty good cabinet maker. And he don't take forever to do it either. Anyway, welcome to 62 to Freedom. Rain, I'm your father. It never gets old. Anyway, I'm gonna go check. My wife's rice field is, you know, we got a rice field in hop, and she can harvest it anytime she wants to during the hop. I'm gonna go check the rice harvest and see what's going on. What the heck? Man, this thing really grew. And it's gonna get blown over, man. Stand up. Be counted. I think that's it, right out there. That seems like a lot of people. That's too many people. So I think that's the rice field of my wife, but I cannot recognize anybody out there from this distance. Hey, is that the field out there? I always thought it was on this side because I saw the equipment right there, right? Is that all those people are doing it? Mm-hmm. Who is that? Danny? No. You want to call? You want to talk to her? I got my phone. You can talk. No. Who is all those people?
The farmers. They got the.
Oh, they cut it.
Mm-hmm.
The farmers.
Yeah.
What farmers? Maria pay down?
The group of people that.
Hey! How much?
If Tita Maria got 30 sacks, the farmers will get 5 sacks.
Oh.
That is the... Mura pag right time.
Oh, it's more than 10 to 1.
If Tita Maria got 30 sacks, the farmers will get 5 sacks.
Right.
That is the...
6 to 1.
Yeah.
Not right now though. No?
6 to 1 ang rate. Kaya lang,
Times 4. Oh yeah. about right. That's
6:1.
So, cause 6 times 4, I mean 6 times 3, 18.
The farmers will get 3 sacks.
3. Yeah. 6 times 4, that's 24.
Yeah.
4 sacks. 30, 5 sacks. Yeah, 6 to 1, okay. Cool. He can harvest this.
Mas narenta? Narenta ang motor?
He could harvest this right now if he want, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Yeah, I see where it's brown. So this is right across the street from the Octagon Bill. Out there where you see those people farming out there. It's IGMA time, huh?
Yeah.
IGMA!
We're going home
Okay.
to get the motor.
Oh, for the thresher? For the, oh yeah. See, there's the Octagon build over there.
And water for the farmers.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Bye, sir.
Bye-bye. So my nephew and my brother-in-law, they will get water for the farmers. So that's what they said. There'll be about 30. They get 6 to 1. The farmers out there, they cut the rice down and put it in piles. And then my wife has the machine that separates the grass from the rice, which it'll still have the shuck on it. You know, it'll still have the casing around the rice. But then she's got the machine, you know, then you lay it out to be dry. When it dries, then they usually just lay it out in the road. It's straight? Okay. We're gonna walk down this well. All right. That's the sacks of rice you got so far, huh? You want me to get down and help you? So, 5 big sacks. Oh man. Wait, baby, just take off. There's some rice, lady. Ooh. Oh my gosh. There's got to be snakes and stuff in here, right? No.
Huh?
We're going to my wife's rice field. Where they're taking, the machine is taking off the grass from the brown rice shell. You know, the brown rice shell and the rice, the husk and the rice will be left after that. Then they sack it up. That's the sack. She's all up there. Oh shoot. I slid over in the muck. Whoa, why don't you go? You're gonna be faster. Hey. I slid over in the snake pond. Wow. Oh shit. My sandal, look. Daggone, man. Shoot. Man, that's funny. Whoa. My sandal is crooked. Die. Dang it, man. Shoot. My sandal twisted around on my foot. Ay. Oh, whew. I got it. Dang, man. I just did it again, man. These ain't worth a damn. Just take my shoes off. Oh, I'm stuck. Wait. All right. I want to put his sandal back on though. The path is not really on the hill that good. So I got one sandal here. It's because of these rubber sandals. Wow. Oh, what the heck, man? This is treacherous. Why? Oh my gosh, this is not for the faint of heart here. Hi. Whoa, shit. Wow, I see a snake hole right there. Or a crab hole. Dang. Lord have mercy. What have I got myself into? Whew. Man, it's some hard work just walking out here. If you could only feel, whoa, how little this hilltop is. You know, it's a higher section that, so they can water one place and not another. They can let water out or in, but it's not very big. It needs to be fixed. Ow. Well, your machine looked like it worked pretty good, right?
Yeah.
Whoa. Oh. Whoa, hold it. Whew. I had to get my belt, huh? Yeah, I cannot put it back on. There's no place. I gotta set it down. Whoa. Whoa. Shit. Oh my gosh. You gonna take your shoes off? Huh? Wow. I think I saw another snake hole. I don't know if that's a crab or a snake. I don't know how a crab got out here in the rice field though. Hi. Hopefully it's a frog. Where are you going? Huh? No. Yes, knee deep. I think this is close enough. You're going the wrong way. No. I'll wait here for you. Yan yan. Yan yan. That way? No? This way look better. Nah, I'm just gonna stay here. Hog grower pellets. I'll be all right. It's okay, I just will stay here. They're making a path for you, Ma. Tight. This rubber was a bad idea. Whew. I will test it out. Whoa. 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 Dang. Ay. Here. Phone. Ay. Here. Dang. Dang. Ay. Boy. Oh, this is good. No? Remove them? Oh. That's the key?
Yeah.
Okay.
So remove the slippers.
They're rubber too.
Yeah.
Oh God.
That's why it's so slippery.
I cannot get my... I cannot get it.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay. Just leave that right there. That, I don't want that. Okay, I will walk like this. Yeah, how am I gonna get in the car? Whoa. Jack.
Give me your phone.
Yeah, good idea. Hey. I don't know how y'all carry a bag of rice through this. Yeah, I got it now. I think I got it. Whoa, got it. Yeah. Oh yeah. Bam, bam. Woo. It's easier without shoes. Whoa. Maybe I'm supposed to be up there, huh? Wow, look how deep that go. Right there. Oh my God. I fell down in the mud. How am I gonna get in the car? I'm gonna take my... Yeah, you're gonna be watched for me.
You had your wallet wet.
Oh yeah. Here, I'll just put her on the dry side, babe. Wow. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah, the shoes make it too hard.
Yeah.
Especially rubber.
Move your slippers.
Rubber too.
Yeah.
Oh my God. So there's no more cutting?
No. It's done already.
Oh yeah. So how many bags altogether? 2, 4, 6,
Look at
8.
7. Maybe it's more than 10.
Oh, it's more than 10, yeah.
Already.
Yeah, there's
But
probably
not yet.
there's probably 10 up there maybe. Because there was 6 up there earlier. Maybe 20.
Sanggab.
Oh, they still got more to go to.
Yeah, there's a lot more.
It's beautiful out here. Look at that.
You see the mountains.
Yep. Instead of the sea. There's a box in my car. I can leave my underwear on, take my pants off, and sit in that box. Oh, yeah. You're gonna fall. Don't laugh at me. You're gonna fall down on You don't have far to fall. I got a long way to fall, girl. Hey. Hey. Hey, I came to provide the comedy. Comedy. How do you say comedy in
Kalaloan.
Kalaloan? Kalaloan?
Karadlawan.
Caradloan?
Yeah.
Caradloan. Every court needs a clown. Oh yeah, this is a beautiful. You could build up a big old tall, build it up about this high and build a house right here. This would be great, except no water view.
Yeah.
Wish we had that view, Mom, on the back of us, and the same view we got towards the water. Oh my God, I would never leave home.
It's pretty cool.
Yeah, I just stay at home. Yeah, see ya. Okay, this takes the rice stem and everything off the palay. Is that how you say it? Palay?
What?
Palay? Palay?
Palay.
Palay. Takes the stem and the leaves off the palay, and you're just left with the husk that's on the rice only. And that's what they sack up. And they will probably divide it up like that. 6 to 1, right, Mom? 6 to 1. Yeah, I already talked to Danny. It's 6 for you and 1 for them. Let me see, Danny. Well, see, after that machine threshes it, that's what's left right there. Then you dry it, and rice is inside the brown, white rice. So that's what that machine right there is doing. It's pretty cool if you've never seen it before. I just still want to fall down in the mud. I smell like a pig now. I smell like bad boy. Hey, I didn't fall. Bobot pushed me. I'm just kidding, Bobot. I fell down because my slipper got suction, wouldn't let go, and my body was already going for the next step. I was stuck like Chuck.
You wanna go home first before you get the baby?
What time is it? Yeah, never mind. Maybe I'll look. I got 2:36. Okay.
You, madam?
You go first.
Good. Good.
I'm just gonna pour this out. It's too heavy.
You're gonna wash your hands with that later.
Too late. Oh, God. I don't even want to carry this. Can I just leave that here? That way I got both hands. Wow. What happened to my shoes? They're down there?
Yeah.
Okay. I got this. Watch. Whoa. Whoa. Ay, dang. Something's wrong with that leg, man. Whoa. Whew. Dang, man. Thank you, thank you. That way I can catch my, before my face hits. Watch out, there's a holes here. Whew.
I'm getting the hang of it. This hill needs to be wider. Whoa! See what I mean? Whoa! Okay. Pull up your big boy pants right here. Whoa! Whoa! I don't have very good balance. Anymore. I used to have very good balance once upon a time. I think that leaves you when you get older. It's not a strength thing. It's just balance. Equilibrium is going. Wow. I'll be crawling around pretty soon. About 10 years. Give me some knee pads. You can't stop me. You can't stop me. Give me a hover round. Oh man, we got a long way to go, man. Uh-oh. What a bridge. Y'all keep it up with my fast pace? That was fun though. At least I've been out there. It's not gonna be fun cleaning out my shorts. Kick it by. Oh shoot. Woo.
What was that? Did you hear that? Huh? Frog, my butt. Am I going this way? Yeah.
Yeah.
Frog. How do you know? You saw it? Huh.
We're gonna rinse off down there.
Where?
Down there. Even our feet only.
I thought this was hard. This was the easy part. Whoa, whoa. Wait, little ditch. Whoa. Oh shit. Wash our feet off where?
Over there. Go ahead. There's somebody with a palay on this head.
Oh, sorry. Well, you caught up. Even with all that weight. Well, that was treacherous.
Over there. Where would go?
I don't need to wash my feet. I can just wear my shoes now.
No, you got to because you gotta go in the car, remember?
Yeah, I'm gonna have my shoes on.
Your shoes is dirty.
Ouch.
Carry your shoes.
That was quite an adventure.